What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all still doing good. Hope y'all blessed. Hope y'all still praying, man. So I can see I ain't getting no head no more. But that's besides the point, man. In today's video, I already see the title on the thumbnail, man. We're gonna be putting another taillight decal on my car. If y'all, for those that didn't know, I did have one before. I ended up taking it off along with my white tint that I used to have on there. So we're gonna do a different design, but y'all, we still gonna do the same smoky thing on the bottom of the decal. You know what, let me just show y'all, man. Those of y'all that don't know, I named my car Smokey. This is the bottom piece we have, and I think we're gonna do this part first. I have a new design. Y'all gonna see that design soon. So let's go ahead and show y'all how we install this. But I do not have a squeegee or a spray bottle right now, so we about to do this to get away. I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna do it to get away. So, oh, it was the paper tickling my leg. I thought it was a whole bug, bro. But let me show y'all how I'm gonna do this. I mean, as y'all can tell, my car is dirty. I ain't got a spray bottle, so we about to be ghetto and just use a water bottle. Just put some water on that thing and just dry it off with the towel. So let me go ahead and do that now. So now I done went ahead and did this to get away, but it is what it is. Let's get to it. Just gonna wipe that thing down. You know what I'm saying? Should use soap and water, y'all, but don't be ghetto like me. But it is what it is. Dang, look at this, boy. Super dirty. We still gonna go ahead and install it. So right now, I think I need a little bit. Actually, I think that's just like residue. Yeah, that's on me, because I did not get rid of all that. I need to get that off low key though. All right, you guys, we got some goo gone, so we're gonna use this on there real quick first before I put it on there, because I don't want to mess up the tint. So let's go ahead and put that on there, see if I can get it off. All right, y'all, I ain't really gonna worry about that one spot too much. I'm just gonna wipe it down real quick, and I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll of me putting it on there. So let's get to it. How's it looking, y'all? Y'all think that looks straight, or hold on? Say that again. That's just the middle design. I'm going back to it. I still gotta get the top parts and these parts, and we're gonna be straight. Now we about to do the same thing with the top part. Wipe it down, and then stick the whole thing on there. All right, y'all, I got the top part on. Bro, this thing was a struggle, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. Yeah, you ain't seeing that light, bro. I mean, if you get up close, you can see little imperfections. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there is imperfections. But hey, man, by no means am I a tenor, rapper, nothing like that, bro. But from far away, it looked decent. So all we gotta do is just get these little side parts on and we straight. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, I done finished up the sides, man. I miss having a little decal. Let's see how it looked though. It got darker out. Let's see. Jeez. What y'all think about it? Y'all liking the design, or would y'all do a different design? I think this design is personally tough, and then you got the smoker. We haven't had the smoker in a minute. Yes, sir. So I think that's hard, man. I love these taillights. Where, if y'all want to know where I got these taillights at, they from Day Custom Creations. Yeah. I also got something else that I got for the taillights that's gonna make it even more unique, y'all. If y'all know me, y'all know this has some color on there before, and we got a different color, so we're gonna see if that color is as hard as the white color that I had on there before. But y'all gonna see that in another video, man. Look at that thing. Sheesh. I gotta go out to the store, so let's do a little drive real quick. Let's hear that code start. I know you lying. Now let's get that code start. That was a little rough dodge. I don't know if it's the car. I'm pretty sure it's the battery, because Walmart lied to me. I gotta get more powerful battery, but Walmart count your days. So yeah, y'all, they know this is Smokey. Now they know this is Smokey for real, because they see it on my taillights. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I have the Smokey badge on the back. Well, at nighttime, you can't see that. Now you can see that. Hey, how you doing, sir? Yeah, let them know Smokey here. Let them Smokey here. Smokey was dying, which I blame the Walmart battery. But yeah, y'all, we got Smokey back in action. Yeah, go and swerve on him a little bit. Yeah. I thought that Honda was about to do it. Yeah, man, we just on our way to Wally World. I'm a Wally girl, but I gotta get over, so I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna slow down. You know, Smokey sound good, you know. You know, Smokey sound good, you know. Smokey sound good. We need to go Walmart get some bread. Yeah, we can get some bread. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think about the lights, or my bad, the tail light design. I know it's gonna be like a shorter video, unless I decide to add something to it. But hey, man, be quiet. But yeah, I love the lights, bro. It's a different design from what I had last time. For those that know, you know. And I got something cooking for the next video as far as my tint go. See, I'm really a rapper for real. Y'all don't even know, bro. You know what I'm saying? And that's for show, though. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna stop being ugly. Excuse you. Y'all hear that? What they listening to? What y'all listening to? But yeah, man. I don't know what else to say other than I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I can't talk. For Day Custom Creations and all the different taillight designs that you can get. You can get, I'm not gonna say too much, but you can get different colors on your taillights. They're pretty fire, so they have some for Chargers and Challengers. I think so far that's all he has for the Dodge. So I don't know, I would have to, but I think that is all he has. So if y'all got a Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, and you guys want to spice up your taillights or even your headlights, go to Day Custom Creations. It's not a sponsorship. I mean, can I get sponsored up? But that's besides the point. But I want to thank you guys for another video. Why am I thanking y'all? I'm the one making the video. I want to thank you guys for watching another video. We're going to do one more little hit. Oh. Come on now. We need to give him one little good hit. You know what I'm saying? And that's on bro. We're going to give him a hit. Watch. Just watch. We're going to hit it. Just watch. Just watch. Yes. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Appreciate all of y'all.